So now, moving forward, let's use the same ideology that we used to count this right here to count the products here too. So let's check the number of products that we have for product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I've not done this. I'm going to come back to it. So let's say I have product 1, product 2, so I can flash fill this, I can auto fill this, just drag it down. Because the moment I do this, I'm telling Excel, like, Excel, I need you to study the pattern. I'm having product 1 and 2, so the next one should be what? Should be 3, the next one should be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. I hope you understand that part.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now let's say I want to count these products, and I'm going to say count if, what's the range, product, comma, what's the criteria, product 1. Just hit enter. So that means product 1 is 57. And then I'm going to fill this down and then get the total. So the total is supposed to be 500, but you see that once I click this now, you see that I'm going to have an error. So I'm going to use sum. I'm going to drag this, hit enter. Oh, it's correct, 500. Okay,
Okay.
so any problem up to this point?
No, no, no. I'm fine.
So this one will save me the challenge of having to, you know, manually count how many times is product 1 here, how many times is product 2 here, and all of that. Okay, so also too, I can check the number of quantity that was actually requested for each of this. So let's do that. Let's say this is the count and this is the quantity, or quantity. So the quantity will now be count ifs, or let's say count again, count if again, what's the range, this, comma, what's the criteria, this.
That's one.
But now this is not going to work. Do you know why it's not going to work? It's not going to work because in essence, it is not count if I want. It's not count if I want.
Okay.
It is sum I want. If I do this, this is almost the same thing as what I did. So I want it to actually sum all of this together so that I'll know the number of quantities that was requested for each product. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yes, yes. So that means we're using count ifs now, are we?
Now we want to count this and sum it. So that every time I have product 8, it's going to come and add this. But now, what I'm actually trying to do, I don't know if that makes sense. So now I'm saying sum. You know, the other time when I was trying to do this, I just used sum and then I summed everything here.
Everything's here.
So now, what if I wanted to use sum ifs? So I'm going to say sum if the range, what I want to sum is
The products. So products.
here, comma, the criteria is this, the sum range is this. So I'm gonna hit enter. So the number of times that the number of quantity that was sold for product 1 is 865. So I can also flash fill that. so that you know the number of counts of each of this that was sold out. And if I want to get the total, I'll just do equal to again, then sum, and then I'll just flash fill this, and then so this is the total count of quantities that we have
All
sold
was sold.
in the
Okay.
supermarket. So this is 7,712. Now let me take that formula again so you can see what I've done. Sum if, so this first one is saying what is this criteria that you want to put, where do I find it? You can find it in product.
Okay.
Now
Um,
comma, what is the criteria that
what
you want me to
product?
find in that product, or what products do you want me to find? Is product one.
Fine. Product one.
Comma, then what do you want me to add up? I want you to add up the quantity. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes, 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 yes.
So that is that. Now any problem?
No, no problem. We're still fine.
We are fine, yeah. So now what I
Yes.
want you to do for me now is that I want you to, the same thing that we have done, I want you to know how much was made for each of these products. So now we know that 57 products was sold for product 1, and the quantity is 865, yeah. So now we also know that the price of product 1 is product 1, the
Yes.
price of product 1 is $18, yeah. So now I want you to calculate the sum. I want you to calculate the sum or the amount that was generated by from each product. I don't know if that makes sense. So now we know that we sold 50 51, we sold product 1 51 times, and the count of the quantity that we have sold is 865. So how much did we make from these 57 products that we have sold?
Yeah. Let me get the question again. We take. Yeah.
The same thing I've done for quantity, now I want to do it for sum. How much did I make? How much did I make for these 865 quantities that I've sold?
Okay. That means the total sum of. Okay. Okay. You want me to do it, Abby?
Of course, I do want you to
Hello.
do it. Yes, I do want you to do it.
Okay. Let me quickly see.
So I'm doing sum if, sorry, ifs, and then this. So sum range, sum range is what do you want to sum up? I want to sum this up, comma, the criteria range, what criteria do you want to sum up? This criteria right here, comma, what's the criteria? Product 1, and then I'm gonna end that. So for this product 1 now, they made 15,557, and the total sum, that was the total revenue for all the products, are this. Just gonna enter this. This is this total sum. So I'm just going to format this, copy format,
Okay.
yeah, copy format. So now this is the total amount that was generated for product 1, for product 2, 3, straight down to 10, and this is the total amount that was generated for everything. So now if I do to check this now, if I want to check if,
Sorry. 1 minute. I want
okay,
to quickly check something. Please go back up.
okay,
Okay, please click any cell.
Which of the
Empty
cell? This
cell.
one?
No, empty cell, any empty cell.
I just clicked on that.
Okay, please press equals to.
Okay,
I want to check something. Equals to, yeah, open brackets.
no, I can't open brackets without a formula. What formula? What do you want me to do?
Okay, so okay. Oh, no. We can actually open brackets now. Yeah, open brackets. We can open brackets now.
Oh, yeah, now.
Open brackets. Okay, this quantity, product one, the total quantity, 865. Click the cell.
This one.
This cell. Multiply by.
Okay, this guy.
This is product one, Nabi. Multiply by 18. This
one. This side.
To get what means.
This one. This one. I should multiply this by what?
Yes, by $18. Multiply by 18. I want to check something.
It's the same thing now.
Is it the same thing?
Yeah.
Hi. Show to you. Shortcut
this total cost is the shortcut because normally ó yẹ kẹ́ ṣe multiply 23 times 80 láti get eléyìí ni, so you now multiply it by all the other ones that you have. So but because we have already created the total cost here, so this total cost is what we are going to use. tó bá yẹ pé àti create eléyìí ni a máa ní láti multiply eléyìí nínú formula wa. If we had not created this, we would have had to like multiply this.
The total quantity that I have, I want to be multiplying it by the unit price. Now it's not. Oh God.
Don't worry, you get there. So that is the answer. So now let's check. If I add everything here together, let's see if I'm going to have the same result that I have at the top there. So now 501. So now let's say sum. I want to check if my answer is correct. So if I say equal to,
it's correct.
sum this, control shift down arrow, close that. So you see I have the same result. So even after adding everything together here on this total cost, it's still equal to the addition of individual products. Do you understand?
Oh, good.
Don't worry, you fine.
Yes, I get it.
All right. So any question?
No question.
Okay, that's fine.
What's the question?